We are the Group 6 from BSEMT Section 1C. And our mini invention is electric motor. The materials used for electric motor are, we have wire, clip paper, ball pen, battery size C, electrical tape, plies, scissor, and magnet.
First, we measured the exact size of the plywood for the base of the electric motor.
Second, we used any round shape to create a circle shape of wire for the electric motor. After that, remove the wire from the used circle shape and cut each side for at least 2 inches. And then round each side from the circle shape of wire. And then, this will be the outcome.
Bend the paper clips to make support for the wire. Place the wire into the plywood together with the battery.
Place now the unfold clip paper together with the wire. Use electrical tape to support the unfold clip paper. And now it's ready to fix the electric motor. Before assembling the parts of electric motor, make sure that every parts of electric motor are working. After checking and drying the parts of electric motor, it's now ready to fix. And then this will be the outcome, and this is how electric